Good morning, guys. We are going to continue with our two-step word problems this morning. And today you have two videos. You have one for these two-step word problems, and then you have one for subtraction strategy one. So I want to make sure that you listen to both of these. You have a game that goes with subtraction strategy one, and then you're going to have one independent problem to do for your two-step problems today. Okay? All right. So let's just jump into it so we don't waste any time. Marissa has $26. She spent $9 on a necklace. Then her grandma gave her $15 for helping her around the house. How much money does Marissa have now? Marissa has $26. She spent $9 on a necklace. Then her grandma gave her $15 for helping her around the house. How much money does Marissa have now? Okay, so first off, we need to figure out what we're looking for. I'm going to go back to the question for that. I'm looking for how much money Marissa has now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and underline that. Then I'm going to go ahead and circle my numbers that I'm going to need for my problem. So I'm going to circle the $26. I am going to circle the $9 and I'm going to circle the $15. Then I'm going to stop and I'm going to think and read each sentence one at a time. Marissa had $26. Okay. She spent. That word spent tells me that it's gone. She's not getting that back. So I'm going to box that word and I'm going to put a minus sign on top of that because I know that one of my steps is subtracting because she spent her money. It is gone. She is not getting that money back. So for step one, I'm going to write spent and I'm going to put subtraction next to it, just like that. And then I'm going to read my next sentence. Then her grandma gave her $15 for helping her around the house. Her grandma gave her money. If you get money, you're getting more. So your total is increasing, which means I am adding. So that's what I'm going to write as my step two on my board. Step one, subtraction. Step two, adding. And then it says, how much money does she have now? So we are going to be looking for a total, which means we're adding, right? So the first thing we have to do is she started with $26. 26 is her whole. When I start with a whole, I'm subtracting because when I'm subtracting, set up the problem as whole minus part gives me the other part. So I'm going to do 26 minus, she had to have that pretty necklace. So 26 minus 9. Okay? All right. So go ahead and do 26 minus 9. Okay. And I did mine with one of my subtraction strategies. So I did 26 minus 10, which gave me 16. And because I added 1 to the 9 up here, I have to add it back up here, down here. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So she should have $17 left after she bought that pretty necklace. All right. That was my step one. All right, step two, her grandma gives her $15 for helping her around the house because she was just such a sweet grandbaby. She helped her grandma, so she got paid for it. So, how much did she have left after shopping? 17. It's your answer from the first problem. Then her grandma gives her 15 more, which means I'm adding. So my problem should be 17 plus 15. Okay. All right. So go ahead and add that, start in your ones place, and then move on from there. I know that 7 and 5 are 2 apart. So if I don't know that off the top of my head, I can do doubles plus 2, which means 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. I put my 2 in my ones place and I regroup my 10. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1 more, plus 10 more is 30. So Marissa has $32 now. And this is how Miss V did her step one and her step two. What you're going to do is you're going to choose one of the problems from today. And you're going to go with it from here. You ready? Okay. Carlos bought 48 stickers. He used 19 of them on a school project and put 12 of them on his binder. How many stickers did Carlos have left? Here's your second choice. Lisa bought 60 beads for a necklace. She bought 22 orange beads and 26 green beads. The rest were blue. How many blue beads did Lisa buy? Okay, guys, so you get your choice. You pick one of those to complete, and then, as before, have your parents send me a picture of it or put it in a fancy PowerPoint or however you want to do it. You only have to choose one. There is another video for today with a game for you to learn a subtraction strategy and practice that strategy with your parents. So I hope you have fun today. I hope you really get creative and be on the move as much as you can. I will see you later for our next lesson. See you guys.